Hello and welcome again on Navino channel. And in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. So let's get started. Well, as you get in the app, and if you want to change your profile picture, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on your profile at your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're going to tap on Edit Profile. So this interface will appear, and as you see here, we got Edit Picture or Avatar. So tap on it if you want to change your profile picture. But here, if you're trying to change your profile picture and it just shows error, or whenever you try to update the new profile picture, it just don't allow you to do that. Well, if you upload an inappropriate photo, Instagram automatically won't allow you to upload it. Or you can try to clear Instagram cache. So here we're going to go out from here and open up our settings. After that, scroll all the way down and look for apps option. So tap on it. After that, tap on manage apps. Again, scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. So tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. And after that, hit uninstall and then reinstall the app. And again, try to change your profile picture and it should be uploaded. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.